Yo, this is Hasty. Over the past about a month, I have been working on, you know, animations, getting that all set up, and alternate locations. Now, this might not sound like a lot considering it was a month, but over the past month, I've probably had about 15 odd hours to work on this project, so I'm pretty proud of what I've done. Also, I did a lot of work with these two things to make them very modular so that I can just add new animations, add new locations, all that just all the time, whenever I need it. Animations is a little less modular, but it's very modular in relation to events, which is what I made it for. Alright, rolling into the actual game here, you can see not much has changed. Camera system is a bit updated, I'm pretty sure. I haven't actually watched the last video since I posted it, so I'm not sure what all was there and what wasn't, but no, cool camera. That is new. You can move over there, and pretty soon there will be some guys over there. Oh, looks like we've got an event. And that was an animation. So, yeah, it looks like... Ooh, another one. Here it is. So you can see, when somebody wants to be friends with somebody... things are moving quickly. Okay. When somebody wants to be friends with somebody else, they will have the event issue. Either they will solve it on their own, go out, find the person, and have the animation, all that, or they'll ask you, in which case it will do different things. There's also this, the park. There's only one way to go to the park, or technically two. There's either you have an event to go to the park, or you get invited by somebody else to go to the park. I think you can also want to visit... Oh! That wasn't intended. Anyways. Okay, so, I guess... Wow, I'm shocked that worked. Okay, so apparently if friendship events can also happen at the park, that isn't something that has happened yet, but it did, and it worked. Everything is fine. That's crazy. So that's a possibility. I don't even remember what I was saying. Okay, so here we go. You want to be better friends with Alex? Talk about something you enjoy. Okay, well, I guess it would appear that not everything is as it seems. Okay. Well, I'll just talk from this screen because I did not know that that could happen. So little guys can have events which will lead them to the park. They can either invite people or go alone. If they ask you, then it's completely up to you. If not, then it's all based on their introvert stat, how many people they bring. Right now, the events are still just randomly assigned, but that's the next thing I'm going to work on. And yeah, so when an animation happens here, let me just move back to a regular view here so that I can stop the game. Yeah, okay. I see what happened now. So when an animation happens, it makes it so that, or at least it should make both characters busy so that they can't leave, and then it will cancel out their movement, put them into place, give them the appropriate animations based on which character they are in the situation, and play it out. And now we can see this. Yeah. It automatically moves the camera around. Now that the thing has happened, I can leave the room. Everything is working as intended in that regard. So, yep, it cancels out all the movement so that they just sit there, play the animation, and then animation will cut out. As soon as it's done, you regain control. Everything goes back to normal. I am planning on having like the little UI here disappear while the animation is happening. I do not have that set up at the moment because it's a bit tricky, or a bit more tricky than I thought it would be based on how my code's set up. It's not that it's tricky, it's just that it would involve, I don't know. I just haven't done it yet because I wanted to get this out of the way. So, but yep, things are working for the most part. Lots of hard work that I put into this. Still planning on you know, making events happen based off of their stats, like having little guys choose which events to do based off their stats. And also, I want to start getting into like actual relationship titles and stuff, like, you know, dating. I'm not sure if that'll actually be the next thing I'm working on, because it will not be easy, but, you know, I've got time. Well, that should be everything. Thank you for watching this silly little game that I'm working on. I appreciate any and all support, but yeah, see ya.